You guys know what it is. Put your hands together for Jigsaw Sneakers.
Baby, off the break out in my lands, pursuing our thoughts and executing all plans.
Dip to the native tongue show. She's an abstract freak that you didn't even know. The lights go down, her body hits the ground. Clearly she's affected by the cute method. But check your mother's shape if she's feeling alive. How much you wanna bet more than arouse her? I find you're gonna go to block the lady for. She just wanna leave, how much you must have been. I didn't even mention at the tail of Titanic. I didn't wait back, she was a little panic. Pretty when I'm here with her hands in the air. One more drink, I should put the stage in.
Get into this word to the mother, I'll tell the truth, so bear my witness. Fly like birds of a feather, dress like leather. You don't wanna wear it, no need to ask that question. Just don't mention, you know what the answer is.
Jigsaw Sneakers! Alright guys, come on to the front.
You know what I really respect with this crew is that you guys are different. You always bring out your own style. That was some crazy musicality, and what people might not know is that even though the moves may not look as technical, their groove is really hard to get, you know? Like that groove that they have, it's crazy, it's crazy. And yeah, you guys just had fun out there, and I enjoyed watching you guys.
Alright. Cinematic.
What I love about Jigsaw, it's all about the vibe, you know what I mean? It's like, y'all would agree, you all want to kind of jump up on stage and kind of bounce with them, yeah? And that's what I love about it, because hip-hop is all about the vibe and the feeling and the atmosphere. I'm always talking about atmosphere, because people usually that don't understand the style will either be like, did I enjoy myself watching that, or did I not enjoy myself? And I love that I enjoyed myself, and you guys look like you had the bomb time up there, so well done.
That's it. JD.
I think for me, one of the main things that I love about your crew is that, and for any audience member as well, you don't have to, it's not, like visually, it's not really like hard to watch. It's really easy to watch, and I always find myself doing this, and like start imitating, like, it's stuff that, it vibes you, and yeah, awesome job guys.
Once again, put your hands together with Jigsaw Sneakers.